So it's pretty early in the morning. My nephew is in the living room. He slept downstairs with me. And I'm in my sister's awesome craft room. But I wanted to show you guys how I make my bulletproof tea. So I like to add this pure sugar, a scoop of collagen peptides, and a scoop of this MCT oil. Okay, so let's get to it. Of course, you can see my tea. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit more about what I actually put in my bulletproof tea. So this is, I just use normally green tea. Doesn't matter what type of green tea, just whatever I find. And this is what it looks like. Today I use lemon and ginger tea. So they're both green tea, but one had mint. What did I say? Okay, so today I used green tea, but one was mint and one was lemon, and just let them brew for about 15 minutes. What I went and took a shower and then came downstairs. But what I always put in it is this perfect Keto MCT Oil powder. So me and my sister have been using this product for the past year and a half. Well, whenever I started keto, this is what I used. It is a little bit on the pricier side, so just if you're really interested, purchase it. If you're not, there's a bunch out in the world that you can get. It's not just this one. We just get it because this is what we're used to. And I really like this one. They have non-flavored, they have this one, a chocolate one. They have variety for you, but this one is a vanilla one. It does give it a little bit of that nice sweetness. You can put this when you're baking, when you're drinking, anything, honestly. We've done it when we made like the 1 minute cakes, and it does add a little bit of like sweetness. You don't need too much sugar. I did add some urethral on this, or some stevia, but it ain't no thing for drink morning. I just don't really like just plain green tea. It kind of is a no-no for me. This has 30 servings. This is what the back looks like. Okay, so it total fat 7 grams, saturated fat 7, total carbohydrates is 3, and then MCT oil powder. I don't know what that means. It says 10,000 mg, but yeah, for 1 scoop, that's your serving size. You can have this, I mean, I'm assuming you can have this as many times as you want. I only ever have it in the mornings with my green tea or my tea or my coffee, whatever I'm drinking. But now I just have it with my green tea. The reason I don't drink it with coffee, because I was making bulletproof coffee, the reason I stopped doing that was because it wasn't even too much caffeine. It was just when I would stop drinking it, it was the headaches. I can't with the withdrawals and all, so that's why I stopped. I definitely would recommend this product. Keto friendly, gluten free, dairy free, doctor formulated and lab tested, fuel for mind and body, dietary supplement. So the MCT oil powder is pure from easily absorbed fatty acids that can be readily used by the brain, muscle, and other tissues for sustained energy without the crash. That's what I hated about coffee, is that you get a crash afterwards, and I'm just kind of like in the middle of the day, so no thank you to that. And then it says MCT oils do more than just provide the body with energy. They support ketones productions, assisting those living a low carb or ketogenic lifestyle. MCT powder form presents fewer digestive issues than oil. Perfect keto MCT powder can be mixed into coffee, smoothies, and shakes. So how to use: in the morning, between meals, mixing your favorite drinks, before an exercise, or mix in a smoothie or whatever, just to enhance it. So definitely, I love this stuff, honestly. I feel like it has helped me a lot right now because I'm drinking it more consistent. I feel like it's actually doing an effect. I will be honest, super TMI, it does make you go to the restroom, okay? It does, point blank period. So I feel like it's a cleanse, but also it does give me that energy without too much, and that's why I like to drink green tea, because of course it has just caffeine in it. It's not like the coffee. So collagen peptides, This one I have been using ever since I started keto. I was using the Perfect Keto brand MCT, or not MCT oil, excuse me, the Collagen Peptide, but I found this one, and I found a bigger one at Costco for $30, and it had 24 ounces, so it's a pretty massive little tub. But this little one has about 14 servings, but it's 2 scoops. I always only do 1 scoop just in the morning. It's not flavored, but I will say that if you're adding it to something, it does give you like some sort of like aftertaste. I don't mind it. That's why I try to drink my Bulletproof tea or coffee quickly without having to taste anything, because I'm kind of want to gag sometimes. So there's that. But what collagen does, it does help with your elasticity of your skin, helps your hair and your nails grow, and you know, it just gives you that nice, beautiful, glowy skin. It has 20 grams of collagen per serving, made from one simple ingredient. Our collagen peptides are neutral in flavor and are great for adding to water, coffee, smoothies, recipes, and more. Our peptides are easily digestible, mixed in hot or cold liquids, and can be mixed in at any time. So this is what the back looks like. That's this. I think this is really beneficial, honestly, if you are somebody that's looking into getting more nutrients. I'm not a big pill taker, honestly, so I can't ever even remember to drink my vitamins. I don't know, I think it's easier just to drink this than pop a pill, honestly. I feel like it has definitely helped with getting my hair thicker and shinier and longer. I am also recording like my hair journey, so if that's something that you're interested in, you're more than welcome to check out my All Things Beauty playlist. These 2 products definitely have helped me throughout my keto experience and my keto journey.